Let's talk about this new disaster declaration for the state of Georgia that was released the first week of October. What does this disaster assistance that you might be getting as a homeowner, as a renter, what does it mean for you? This one-time payment of $750, what can you use it as? That's what we're going to talk a little bit about in this video today, because we want to make sure you're prepared when it comes to this disaster assistance, that you get the most assistance you can get, you get the most insurance payout you can get that's due to you, disaster loans, all this stuff. So what does this $750 mean? Well, it's for emergency services. These are things like food, essential living things, toothbrush, utility bill, like things that you really need to live. That's what that $750 is for. Now you've got to go through apply for your disaster assistance in order to be able to get this. You've got to be in one of these, we shoot this video on October 4th, 2024, one of these 41 counties that qualified. Now, does that mean that more counties won't qualify? No, that just means as of right now, those are the only counties it does. Does this mean that this is only going to be the only $750 you get? No, it does not. Remember, this is just a starting point. Hopefully you will be able to get more. Potentially, homeowners can get up to about $42,000 in disaster assistance. That's the max typically. Does that mean you're going to get that? Absolutely not. During Hurricane Harvey, we saw the average disaster assistance payout of about $4,000. This is why it's so important for you to report this damage locally, because the more damage that gets reported, it may be the more disaster assistance that your community qualifies for. So that's why, and that's exactly what this disaster assistance means for you, what you can use the $750 for. So here on this page, you can also find other resources and what all of this means for you as a Georgia resident. Remember, we're here to help you at the Flood Insurance Guru. So maybe you didn't have flood insurance, or maybe you've got to get it now that you're taking out this disaster assistance. Then make sure to click on this page below, reach out to us, and we'll be happy to have a conversation with you. I'm Chris, the Flood Insurance Guru, and I look forward to speaking to you in our next video. Thank you.